Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making hidden system files visible so nothing is left unseen. Once done, open File Explorer and go to %appdata%\. Minecraft or Finder to ~library/application support /Minecraft on Mac OS because that's where game files live. Make a backup of the entire saves or relevant folder to desktop or external storage. This protects progress if you need to restore. Also confirm you're logged into the correct user account, since different profiles have separate app data folders. Next, address access and conflicts that hide files. You should reset folder permissions so your user account can read and write. On Windows, edit security settings. On Mac OS/Linux, use chmod for the Minecraft folder. Then move mods and resource packs out temporarily. Mods often change file locations or create invisible redirects. Check your launcher profile settings. Ensure the game directory points to the folder you inspected and that the Java path matches the required Java runtime. Finally, repair the installation and test. Use the launcher's repair or reinstall function, but do not delete the Minecraft folder. That preserves saves. If files are missing or corrupted, restore the saves folder from your backup copy and relaunch. Make sure to test a new world to confirm visibility. If issues persist, check the disk for errors and run System File Checker with sfc/scano, because corrupted system files or bad sectors can make game files disappear even if Minecraft is fine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.